Hello friends, welcome back again in my channel Indian Future Forum. So our today's topic is the Central Vista project. The Central Vista project is a grand development project for building. So let's start. What is Central Vista project? The Central Vista project is a grand redevelopment project for building what will be the power corridor of India, having a new parliament building, a common central secretariat and rampant 3 km long Rajpath from the Rashtrapati Bhavan to the India Gate. The Supreme Court has ordered the government to be halt all construction activities on the Central Vista project. The Supreme Court warned government not to carry out any work on the Central Vista project until it decides on a bunch of 10 petitions challenges mega redevelopment plan. The Supreme Court was particularly unhappy over the press release by government that said the construction was to be begun and that translocation of trees was underway despite the court having reserved order on November 5 on the matter. The Prime Minister Narendra Modi is scheduled to perform the groundbreaking ceremony for the Central Vista project on December 10. The Supreme Court has allowed the Bhumi Pujan provided three-judge bench headed by the Justice A.M. Khanwilkar said, if you, the government, do not paperwork or lay foundation stone, but no construction should be done. So, what is Central Vista project? The Central Vista project redevelopment project is a construction plan to give India's power corridor a new spatial identity in which the usually called Lieutenant's Alley, the existing building for the parliament, various offices of the central government, the residence of the prime minister and also vice president house in the view of government have been found to be inadequate. New buildings will be constructed along the Rashtrapati Bhavan India Gate stretch of Rajpath in New Delhi. Under the Central Vista project, the residence of Prime Minister is likely to be shifted near the South Block that houses the Prime Minister office PMO. The Vice President new house will be closer to North Block. The North Block and South Block are named for their location, north and south of Rashtrapati Bhavan. According to the Central Vista redevelopment plan, North and South Block will be converted into museums. However, the current resident of the Vice President is among the building identified for demolition. Highlights of the Central Vista project. The new Parliament building complex triangular in shape spread over 64,500 square meter is described as a pivot of Central Vista project design. It is to be much bigger than the existing parliament building and will be able to house 1224 member of parliament. The Lok Sabha chamber will have to be seating capacity of 888 MPs while the Rajya Sabha chamber will accommodate 384 MPs. The increased capacity of the chamber have been provision of keeping in mind its future increase in number of MPs. Currently, the Lok Sabha has 545 MPs and Rajya Sabha has 245. All MPs will have separate offices in new building. The new Parliament building will have a grand Constitution Hall showcasing the India's democratic heritage. The construction hall will showcase original copy of Constitution and visitors gallery digitally displaying India's democratic heritage. The existing Parliament Houses building will continue to be in use for retrofitting. It is provide more functional space for parliamentary event. The new Parliament building will be equipped with latest digital interference as a step towards creating paperless offices. A monitoring community drawing member from the Lok Sabha Secretariat, the Ministry of Housing and the Urban Affairs The CPWD and NDMC and architect design of the project will monitor the construction work. The new Parliament building complex is expected to be completed by 2022. The Central Vista project has work completed deadline of 2024 when the next Lok Sabha election will be take place. When was the existing Parliament building constructed? The existing Parliament building was constructed by the British colonial ruler. It was designed by the Edwin Lutyens and Herbert Baker. They had in fact designed the entire planned construction area of New Delhi. This is why the New Delhi area is often called Lutyens Zone. The existing Parliament building complex took 6 years in construction from the foundation stone laying on February 12 in 1921 to be inauguration by the uh, Viceroy Lord Irwin on January 18 in 1927. The construction cost back then was 83 lakh, a princely sum in those days. The current Central Vista project estimated to be cost 971 crore. So friends, that's all for today. Thanks for watching.